If you wonder if you can check RAM memory on Redmi A5, let me quickly explain. As we go into the settings and go for the system, right here we can find the memory extension, for example, and we can extend our RAM memory by 1 GB, 2 or 3 GB, but actually there is no status of our memory. And also if we go back and go for about phone, right here we can also find the RAM that we have currently, 3 GB of RAM. Actually that our phone is using 3 GB of RAM, but as we tap on it we have no details. Actually there is nothing more about it, and also there is no such an option to actually enable the RAM status being available in the recents right here, because in some other phones you can enable it right here and it will show you the status, the amount of RAM that you currently are using. But this is not the case in this phone, so unfortunately you cannot check the RAM memory.